Welcome back to the channel. Today we will discuss chapter number 7 of Rajasthan Municipality Act 2009. The name of the chapter is Municipal Revenue. So let's start. This chapter covers sections from 101 to 140. There are 40 sections in this chapter. Section 101 Internal Revenues of Municipality. Section 102 Obligatory Taxes. Section 103 Other taxes that may be imposed. Section 104 Power to levy user charges. Section 105 Power to levy fees and fines. So now let's see the key terms of these sections. For section 101, key term is internal revenue. Internal revenue. Section 102, obligatory taxes. Section 103 is not important. Section 104, power to levy user charges. And section 105, fees and fines. These are the key terms. Section 106 Power to levy development charge. Section 107 Exemption from taxation. Section 108 Procedure preliminary to imposing taxes. Section 109 Imposition of tax. Section 110 Procedure for altering taxes. Section 101 Power of government to suspend all, prohibit or remedy tax. Section 112 Power of municipality to suspend or abolish tax. Let's now see the key terms. For section 101(6), key term is development charge is the key word. For section 107, exemption is the key word. Exemption from tax. Section 108, imposition of taxes, the procedure for imposing taxes. Or you can also remember the imposition of taxes. Section 109 imposition of taxes, and for section 108 procedure is the tax imposition. Section 110 procedure for altering taxes, that is alteration of taxes, is mentioned under section 110. Section 111 Power of government to suspend or prohibit or remedy taxes. It is a very important section. Power of government to suspend, prohibit or remedy taxes. Section 112 Suspension or abolition of taxes by municipality. In section 111, it is by the government, that is state government or central government, and for section 112, it is the municipality that can suspend or abolish taxes. So it is very important. Both sections are very important. There should not be any confusion between these two sections. Section 113 Assessment of tax and appointment of assessors. Section 114 Supply of certain information and consequence of failure to supply. Section 115 Obligation to supply information for purposes of amendment. Section 116 notice to be given to municipality of all transfers of title by persons primarily liable to payment of taxes on building or lands. Section 117 form of notice. Section 118 name of transferee to be substituted in the municipal registers. Now see the keywords of these sections. For section 113 it is the assessment. Assessment is the keyword. Section 114 and 115 both are related to information. Section 116 notice to be given to municipality of all transfers of title by persons primarily liable to payment of taxes or on building or lands. Section 117 form of notice. Section 118 name of transferee to be substituted in the municipal charges. Substitution of transferee, name of transferee. Section 119 liability for payment of taxes on buildings or lands to continue in absence of a notice of transfer. Section 120 tax from boom primary leviable. Section 121 appeals relating to taxation. Section 122 limitation and preliminary deposit of tax claimed. Section 123 cost. Section 124 bar to jurisdiction of civil and criminal courts in matter of taxation. Now let's see the keywords. For section 119 liability is the keyword. Section 120 tax from whom primary liable. Section 121 appeals relating to taxation. Section 122 limitation and preliminary deposit of tax claimed. Limitation and preliminary deposition of tax. Section 123 cost. Cost starts with the alphabetic letter C, so next also will be court, criminal, civil, etc. So court, cost, then court. Section 124 bar to jurisdiction of civil and criminal courts. Court is the keyword. Court, cost, then court. Section 125 savings. Section 126 obligation to disclose liability. Section 127 duty to recover the taxes. Section 128 presentation of a bill of tax. Section 129 contents of bill. Section 130 notice of demand. Section 131 in what cases warrant may issue. Section 132 for civil entry for executing warrant. The key terms for these sections are: for section 120 savings, for section 126 obligation, for section 127 duty, for section 128 presentation of bill, section 129 contents of bill, section 130 notice of demand, section 131 warrant may be issued, section 132 for civil entry in case of having warrant. Section 131, 133 manner of executing warrant. Section 134 sale of property attached in special cases. Section 135 attachment and sale outside the municipality. Section 136 Summary proceedings may be taken against persons about to leave the municipality. Section 137 savings. Section 138 receipt to be given for all payments. Section 139 alternative power of bringing suit. Section 140 liability of land, building, etc. for taxes. Now let's see the key terms for these sections. For section 133, manner of executing warrant. Manner is the keyword. For section 134, sale of property. Sale is the keyword. For section 135, outside is the keyword. When property is sold or property is acquired from outside of the municipality. Section 136, leave is the keyword. When a person leaves the municipality without paying the taxes. Section 137, not important. Section 138, receipt. Section 139, suit is the keyword. And section 140, liability of land, building, etc. for taxes. Liability is the keyword. So now topic is over. Thank you so much.